hidden beaches, paradises of St. Lucia. Today, we're setting sail to the stunning island of St. Lucia, but we're not heading to the usual tourist spots. Oh no, we're going off the beaten path to uncover the hidden beach paradises most travelers never get a chance to see. With me, of course, a local. If you're dreaming of the tranquil shores, crystal clear waters, and kind of serenity that makes you feel like you've discovered your own private slice of heaven, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So, the problem with popular beaches. When we think of St. Lucia, what comes to mind? Probably the iconic pitons, lush rainforests, yes, those postcard perfect beaches. But here's the thing, the most famous beaches like Railway Beach and Sugar Beach are often packed with tourists. You know the scene, umbrellas everywhere, kids building sand castles, and a constant hum of activity. Now, don't get me wrong, those spots are beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But if you like me and crave a little more tranquility, a little more authenticity, and then you want to explore the lesser known gems, the ones where the only footprints in the sun might just be your own. That's what we're talking about. So, why do so many travelers miss out on these hidden paradises? Simple. They stick to the guidebooks. Yep, they stick to the guidebooks. They go where everyone else goes, but not us. Nope, 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 not us. Today, we're going to uncover the secret beaches of St. Lucia, places like Anse Chastanet, Petitie Anse, and a few others that will make you feel like you've stepped into a dream, which that's what St. Lucia is actually about, right? Now, before we go any further, let's take a quick break to thank our sponsors, right? This episode is brought to you by Island Vacation Travel Agency LLC, helping you make the most out of your travel experiences and helping us explore smarter business travel solutions, right? For more information on how to optimize your travel experiences, visit www.islandvacays.com. That's www.islandvacas.com. Now, before we get back to our adventure, all right, now back to the adventure, guys. All right, now exploring the hidden beaches. Let's get into it. Our first stop is Anse Chastanet. I love that beach right there, right? Now, this one is not entirely a secret, but it's often overlooked for the more popular spots. Yeah, so pretty much always overlooked. What makes it special, right? The black sand. Yes, I said black sand. The sand is actually black. You heard me right. Black sand is volcanic sand. It's unique and it's absolutely stunning against the turquoise waters. It is absolutely stunning. Plus, the snorkeling here is incredible. Yes, you see vibrant coral reefs and schools of tropical fish that will make you feel like you're swimming in an aquarium. Jade Mountain, my favorite resort, is on this beach as well. So it's amazing to see this, right? Next up, we have Petitie Anse. This one's a bit trickier to get to. You'll need to hike a short trail. Trust me, it is actually worth it. Yes, it's worth it. Trust the exaggeration. Imagine a crescent shaped cove surrounded by lush greenery, um, with waves gently lapping at the shores. So it's kind of like a cove, and then it has like it's lush, so it's beautiful. It's the kind of place where you can lay out a blanket, crack open a book, and forget the world exists completely. Right? Next, there is Anse Chastanet. Oh, this one is a showstopper, guys. Located near the famous Sugar Beach, Anse Chastanet is a palm fringe paradise with powdery white sand and views of the Piton. The Pitons, both, right? That'll take your breath away. Definitely, I can guarantee you that. That's why St. Lucia is so special. It's secluded, it's serene, and it's perfect for a romantic getaway. Yes, it is. Now, we'll be right back, guys, and I'll be telling you a little bit more about those hidden beaches. But first, a word from our sponsors. All right?
Golfers, have you ever wished your shoes worked as hard as you do on and off the course? Say hello to Scony Spikeless Golf Shoes, the game changer in golf footwear. Designed with cutting edge comfort and versatility, style, and swag. Scony shoes take you from a round of golf straight to your next island adventure. No spikes, no limits, just lightweight all day comfort and performance. Ready to upgrade your golf game? Just visit sconigolf.com. That is SKONIGOLF.com and use our promo code Island Vacation. That is one word, Island Vacation, for an exclusive 15% discount just for our listeners. Scony, where style meets the green and beyond. Scone is also spikeless shoes, the ultimate blend of style, comfort, and functionality. Don't forget to let them know we sent you and we receive commission for that, guys. Hey, friends, I have to tell you about this new travel obsession. Eric Javid's sun hats. These aren't just hats, they're actually iconic. Imagine stepping off the plane and looking effortlessly chic, no matter how long you've traveled. The secret? The innovative squishy material. It's packable, durable, and springs back to shape after being in your luggage. Plus, they offer UPF 50 plus protection, so you're stylish and also safe. Honestly, these are a game changer for the travel days, the beach days, the yacht days, and the golf days as well. Oh, we scored an exclusive deal just for you. Use our code Island Vacation, that's ISLAND that's all in one word, at ericjavits.com for your sweet discount. Just a heads up, we earn a commission when you use our code, so it's a win-win situation. Check it out.
Okay, now let's get back to the beaches of St. Lucia, the crown jewel, right? of hidden beaches. Now, I've saved the best for last, guys. The crown jewel of hidden beaches in St. Lucia, Anse Mamin. This one's a bit of a secret. Even the locals don't know about it. To get here, you need to take a boat or hike through a rugged trail. But once you arrive, you understand why it's worth the effort, right? Picture this: turquoise waters, so clear you can see the ocean floor, right? Powdery white sand that feels like silk under your feet, and towering cliffs that frame the beach like a natural amphitheater. No exaggeration. I just slowed down to give you a little bit so that you could understand what I'm talking about. It's secluded, it's serene, and it's magical. What I love most about Anse Marin, it's a sense of discovery. We happen to go there for boat rides, right? You feel like you've stumbled upon something truly special, something untouched by the chaos of the modern world. No exaggeration. It's the kind of place where you could sit for hours just like listening to the waves and watching the clouds drifting by, take you away from this world. So it's something that, I mean, I would love everyone to get a chance to experience, just to go see what it is to visit Anse Marin. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick break again from our sponsors so that we could pay some bills, guys, and we will be right back.
If you are a fan of iconic music or sports gear, All Glory is the place to be. Since 1969, this family owned superstore has offered over 300,000 items of official licensed merchandise. From classic tees featuring legendary bands like Metallica and the Grateful Dead to official gear from your favorite sports team, All Glory has everything you need to represent your fandom in style. Plus, as a listener of Island Vacation Travel Podcast, you get an exclusive 15% off anything you purchase. Can you believe that, guys? Whether you're looking for a graphic tee, a hoodie, or a quirky gift, you can grab it all and save with our promo code Island Vacation. That is one word, Island Vacation. Visit allglory.com. Use the code, like I said, Island Vacation, and start showing off your love for music, sports, and also pop culture today. Let them know we sent you at Island Vacation Travel Podcast. We also earn commission when you use our promotional code, so it's a win-win.
Awesome.
Hey, what's up, friends? Let me introduce you to my latest travel must-have, Shimmerwood CBD seltzers. These aren't just any seltzers, they're combined full spectrum CBD with natural fruit shrubs from bold, refreshing flavors like razzle lime, chai cherry, and ginger orange. Whether I'm unwinding after a long day of exploring or just taking a moment to chill, these drinks are a perfect companion. They're free of added sugar, caffeine, or artificial flavors, which is what I absolutely love. So they're a clean and healthy, conscious alternative to sugar, sodas, or alcohol, which I absolutely do not like. Plus, I've got an exclusive deal for you guys. Head over to shimmerwood.com. That's SHIMMERWOOD.com and use my promotional code Island Vacation. That's ISLAND VACATION for a 30% discount. That's right. We earn commission when you use our promotional code, but trust me, your taste buds and stress levels will thank you. Trust us on it. You have a good one, guys. Enjoy.
Okay, guys. All right, guys. And if you love this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Island Vacation Travel Podcast for more insider tips and hidden gems. Right now, you could also follow us on all social media platforms uh, for daily doses of inspiration. Don't forget to use our code. Check it out at the bottom. Right now, tips for exploring hidden beaches. Before you pack your bags and head to St. Lucia, here's a few tips to make the most out of your hidden beach adventure. Number one on the list, do your research. Some of these beaches require a bit of effort to reach, so make sure you know how to get there. That's very important, right? Number two on the list, pack light, but smart. Bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and snacks. Some of these spots don't have facilities, so you will need to be self sufficient, if you know what I mean, for my people that can. Number three on the list, respect the environment. Most importantly, always respect the environment. These beaches are pristine for a reason. Leave no trace and take only memories and maybe a few photos. All right. Now, number four, go early or late to truly experience the solitude just during off peak hours. Sunrise or sunset is ideal. It's almost about sunset in Florida right now, right? So, there you have it. There you have it, guys. The hidden beaches, paradises of St. Lucia. From the black sands of Anse Chastanet to the secluded beach of Anse Mamin, these spots offer a side of the island that most travelers never ever get to see. I feel blessed to be able to get to see it before I left the island. And I try to visit it when we go for our group trips, which we are going to go soon. If you've got a favorite hidden beach, whether in St. Lucia or elsewhere, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment on my Instagram or YouTube channel and let's keep the conversation going. Right? Thank you for joining me on this journey, guys. I appreciate you all. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep on remembering the best adventures are often off the beaten path. Right? This is Philo signing off, guys. Yeah, see you soon in paradise because that's where we're going to be heading to soon.